Hello everyone. We are going to start trigonometry. But before that, can you tell me where do we use this trigonometry? So let's understand some real life example of uses of trigonometry. So how do you think the Egyptian people have built this pyramid? Don't you think there is 3 sides in each face there in pyramid? So how this ancient Egypt people have built this pyramid? Let's also think about how the sailors in the ancient time used to navigate in the sea. How do they know that which direction to go? How much distance to go? How the ancient people knows that the planetary motion, the motion of sun, the motion of earth, the motion of planets, the setting of stars. How do they know these things? So these all examples was based on trigonometry. So trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of angular distances. What? Angular distances. So this trigonometry is derived from the 2 words, that is trigon and metron. These both are Greek words, in which trigon means 3 sides and metri means or metron means measurement. So measurement of 3 sides is known as trigonometry, and the polygon which is having 3 sides is known as triangle. So basically we are going to study about triangles in which we will measure the angles, angular distances that is related to triangles. So let's get started with the trigonometry, and first of all we will go through the NCERT book and we will see how to solve the problem of NCERT. But before that, hold a second. Before that, let me tell you one more thing, that though we are going to study about triangles, so angle is very important and we measure angle in 2 units. The first one is your degree and the second one is your radian. The first one is degree, second one is radian. So this degree measure and radian measure is very important. So hello everyone, as we have discussed the real life example of trigonometry, it's time for us to discuss some formula related to trigonometry. As we have discussed in our very first lecture, that trigonometry deals with the measurement of triangles, that is angular distance. For this we will require angle. So for angle measurement we use 2 units. The first one is degree and the second one is radian. So here we have to discuss that what is degree and what is radian. So in order to understand this concept, we will go through a real life example again. So see a clock. When you are watching a clock, look for the minute hand. That minute hand is making a one complete revolution in clockwise direction. So when that clock moves in a clockwise direction, so it forms a negative angle. Now if we will take that clock to anti-clockwise direction, if we will move that clock to anti-clockwise direction, then it will make positive angles. So from this basic idea of clock, you will see that when you are moving towards anti-clockwise direction, then the angle traced is positive. Okay, so if you are at a point, suppose that this is at 3 o'clock, that is the initial point, fix that as initial position. Now from this 3, you have to move to 12. So you are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So from 3 to move 12, you have to cover 90-degree angles. How many degree angles? 90-degree angles. Now from 12, you have to move towards 9 in anti-clockwise direction. Then the angle covered from your initial position, that is 3, is 180 degree. Now again from 9, you have to go up to 6. So the angle traced has now become 270 degree. Now from 6, you have to go again to 3. So there is one complete angle of 360 degree. And this 360 degree is known as 2 pi radian. 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. Now if this 360 degree is 2 pi radian, then 180 degree will be pi radian. And if 180 degree is pi radian, then 90 degree will be pi by 2 radian. And if 90 degrees pi by 2 radian, then 45 degrees pi by 4 radian. Similarly, 30 degrees pi by 6 radian. Similarly, 60 degrees pi by 3 radian. Now, in order to convert this radian, this degree to radian, we will use the formula. That means how we have converted this 30 degree to pi by 6. For this, I have multiplied this 30 degree by pi by 180. So that this 180 get cancelled by 36 times. It will be pi by 6. Similarly, 45 degree will be converted to radian by multiplying it by pi by 180. This 180 will go 4 times with 45. So answer will be pi by 4. Similarly, when you will multiply this 60 degree angle with pi by 180, then this 60 will cancel 180 3 times. So the answer will be pi by 3. Again, when you will take 90 degree angle, you will multiply it with pi by 180 degree. Then again this 90 will cancel this 180 degree by 2. So it will be pi by 2. Similarly, when you will multiply this 180 degree into 180 by pi, you will get the answer pi by 180, you will get the answer pi. Similarly, when you will multiply this 270 degree with pi by 180, then you will get the answer 3 pi by 2. Similarly, when you will multiply 360 degree into pi by 180, you will get the answer 2 pi. So what I did here, I have multiplied the degree measures with pi upon 180. We have multiplied the degree measures by pi upon 180. So when we will multiply this pi upon 180 by degree measure, we will get the formula, that is radian measures is equal to pi by 180 into degree measures. And if we have to convert this radian measures to degree measures, you will just convert this formula. Just take this 180 to upside and pi to downside. So it will be 180 by pi into radian measures. 180 by pi into radian measures. So degree, in the previous one we have calculated the radian measure. In this we will calculate the degree measure. So degree measure is equal to 180 upon pi into radian measures. Okay, so this is the 2 important formula. Next formula is that angle traced. This next formula is that angle traced. That is 1 degree. In 1 degree, there will be 60 minutes. In 1 degree there will be 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there will be 60 seconds. So remember this, 1 degree means 60 minutes and 1 minute means 60 seconds. So these are the basic formulas. Next, you have to also remember one very important thing, that is, area covered by sectors. So as when you are taking a circle of radius r, okay, and that circle is tracing a path on the circumference, that is from this point to this point. So it has covered some arc length. That arc length is known as L, and in covering that distance it has also intercepted some angle at the center. So angle between that two radius is known as theta. So we have got these three variables, theta, L and R. So in that circle it has radius r, the central angle is theta and the arc length is L. So theta is equal to L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. So you can write L as R into theta. L as R into theta. R and theta will get multiplied.